Hi! The Grand Costume Parade. Watch in awe as thousands of elaborately costumed revelers showcase their creativity in the city's most anticipated costume parade. From Hollywood-worthy special effects to cutting-edge fashion designs, participants compete for the coveted title of Costume Queen/King 2024. Entertainment zones. The Phantom Stage. Live performances by local bands and DJs. Special guest appearances by LA's top drag performers. Interactive dance shows featuring professional dancers in haunting choreographies. The Witch's Grove. Fortune tellers and tarot readers. Face painting stations. Magical photo opportunities with professional photographers. Like video. Bye.